Successfully replaced my friend laptop with new DDR4 16 gig 2666 megahertz just late afternoon yesterday, and he's very happy about it. Now his laptop is running smoothly and fast. He likes it. We ordered it at Lazada. It took almost 2 weeks to arrive from Manila to Butuan. It's finally fixed. We're just checking its quality, and it looks fine. Yeah, buying online is fine as long as you read the reviews of Lazada. You must read the review of the seller before buying anything online, whether it's Lazada or Shopee or TikTok. Choose wisely.